Hello class 5 students. Today we'll study the chapter 3 of your social studies book, and the name of the chapter is The World at a Glance. I have incorporated many pictures and maps in this video to have a better understanding of our planet Earth. The solar system, it has 8 planets, and the Earth is the third planet in the solar system. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system on which life exists, and it is because of the presence of water on the planet and air around it. This is the physical map of the world. This blue color, it represents the water, and the white portion represents the land on the planet Earth. Water occupies 71% of the planet and land occupies 29%. This means that about 3 parts of the Earth's surface is water and 1 part is land. In this picture, all the colored portion is the land area. These are the big land masses which we call continents, and the blue portion represents the large water bodies which we call oceans. So, there are 7 continents and 5 oceans on our planet Earth. Continents, large land masses on the Earth's surface that are surrounded by water on all sides, are called continents. There are 7 continents. In the ascending order of their area, they are as follows: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. We'll study about each of these continents in detail. The first largest continent is Asia. It occupies 1/3 of the land area of our planet. It is surrounded by oceans on 3 sides. To the north lies the Arctic Ocean. To the east is the Pacific Ocean. To the south is the Indian Ocean. Few highest mountain peaks of the world lie in the continent Asia. The first highest mountain peak of the world is Mount Everest. It lies in the continent Asia in the country Nepal. The first most populated country in the world is China, and it is part of the continent Asia. And the second most populated country, our country India, is also part of the continent Asia. Now the second largest continent is Africa. It is the neighboring continent of the continent Asia. It is surrounded by oceans on all sides. To the north lies the Mediterranean Sea. To the east is the Indian Ocean. To the west is the Atlantic Ocean. And to the south, both Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean surround the continent Africa. The world's longest river, you can see in this picture the blue lines. It is the river Nile, the world's longest river. And the largest desert of the world, the Sahara Desert, is also found on the continent Africa. The Suez Canal, it connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. This canal is in Egypt and it is man-made. It allows two-way water transport between Europe and Asia without going around Africa. The third largest continent in the world is North America. It was discovered by Christopher Columbus. It lies entirely in the northern hemisphere, and some parts of it lie in the Arctic. The highest point in the continent is Mount McKinley, which is found in the state Alaska of United States of America. The Rockies, the Rocky Mountains, they stretch along the western part of the continent, and the Appalachian Mountain, they lies in the eastern part of the continent. Next continent is South America. It is the fourth largest continent on the planet Earth. North America and South America, they are joined together, they are connected together by the Isthmus of Panama. This orange land area which you can see is the Isthmus of Panama. What is an isthmus? Isthmus is a narrow strip of land that connects two large land masses. So this isthmus has been named as Isthmus of Panama. The Andes mountain range, it stretches from north to south in the western part of the continent. Then the Amazon rainforest, which are the thickest forests in the world, they are also part of the continent South America. There is another picture which represents the Andes mountain and the Amazon rainforest in the continent South America. Next continent, the fourth largest continent, the fifth largest continent is Antarctica. It is the southernmost continent. The South Pole lies in this continent. This is the South Pole. It is surrounded by Southern Ocean on all sides. On all sides, it's surrounded by Southern Ocean. It is the coldest, the driest, and the windiest continent in the world. And it is frozen throughout the year. That is why it is called White Continent. It does not have any population apart from 70 research stations set up by many countries. India too have 2-3 research stations in the continent Antarctica. Few animals like penguins, whales and seals are found in this continent. In fact, penguins are the national animal of the continent Antarctica. Now, the sixth largest continent is the continent Europe. It is also the neighboring continent of the continent Asia. It lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. Asia and Europe are sometimes together known as Eurasia. It also has some of the most advanced countries in the world. Even though this continent is so small in size, it has many advanced countries. The smallest continent is the continent Australia. It is the only continent which is a country as well as a continent. It is also called an island continent as it is surrounded by water on all the sides. It lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. The Great Barrier Reef and the Great Victoria Desert, these are the two important parts of the continent Australia. Now we will study about the oceans. The 7 continents of the world are separated from each other by large stretches of water. The large water bodies between the continents are called oceans. There are 5 oceans. The first one, Pacific. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Second largest is Atlantic Ocean. Third largest is Indian Ocean. Fourth largest is Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean, we also call it. The fifth largest or the smallest is the Arctic Ocean. We'll study about each of these oceans in detail. There are different shades of blue, and this represents the area covered by each of the oceans. This is Pacific, this is Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, here also Pacific Ocean, this portion is Southern Ocean, and this is Arctic Ocean. So the first largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. It is also the deepest ocean on the planet Earth. It is almost circular in shape. You can see in this picture, it is almost circular in shape. It separates America from Asia and Australia. So this side is North America and South America, and here is Asia and Australia. It lies, this Pacific Ocean, it lies between these continents. The world's deepest trench, the Mariana Trench, with a depth of 10,911 meters, it lies in this Pacific Ocean. Here is the Mariana Trench. Second largest ocean is the Atlantic Ocean. It separates North America and South America from Europe and Africa. This is North America and South America, and this is Europe and Africa. It lies between these continents. It is an S-shaped ocean. You can see it looks like a S. So it is an S-shaped ocean. The mid-Atlantic ridge in the ocean has several high peaks that form islands in the ocean. Now, what is a ridge? Ridge is the upper part of a range of hill or mountain. So there are so many ridges in this ocean which take form of the islands in the ocean. Island is any land area which is surrounded by water on all the sides. The third largest ocean is the Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean that is named after a country, India. Here is the country India located, and here is the Indian Ocean. It separates the continent Asia, Africa and Australia. This is Asia, this is Africa, and this is Australia, and it lies between these three continents. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, they are the two important parts of the Indian Ocean. The fourth largest ocean, it is Antarctic Ocean, or we call it Southern Ocean. It surrounds the continent Antarctica. It is formed by the merging of the southern part of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. This is the Indian Ocean, this is Atlantic Ocean, and that's Pacific Ocean. And it is formed by merging of all three oceans. All these three oceans, their southern parts is merged, and this ocean is formed. It lies in the southern hemisphere. The South Pole, it lies here, and it lies in the southern hemisphere. The smallest ocean, that is Arctic Ocean. It is located within the Arctic Circle. Since it is located in the Arctic Circle, it is covered with ice all the time. North Pole is located here. You can see North Pole is located here. It is the northernmost point on the Earth. That's it related to this chapter. Thank you so much. Hope you liked the video. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.